Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and today's video I'm going to do my first autumn or fall makeup look for 2018. Then just keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to use these ones for my fall or autumn makeup look for 2018. I purchased these ones last year. I already did my eyebrows using this one. This is the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil in the shade of dark brown. I've been using this a lot because I like using this. I don't know why, maybe because of the pigmentation, and it's easy to use. And then later on I'm gonna top it off with this fiber gel from AOA Studio also. Before we go started, I'm going to put this Age Perfect Eye Renewal Eye Cream by L'Oreal. I got this on a free bag from my purchase at Ulta. I think it's $20. You spend $20 in L'Oreal's product, and then they're gonna send you this Age Perfect Renewal Eye Cream with including, I think this one's also, I got it there. And then I have the clay mousse detoxifying clay, and the maroon bag. So we're going to use these ones first. So I'm going to put a little bit on my eyes. Next, I'm going to use this Nivea. So next, we're going to put a concealer on my eyes. So now we're going to use this eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like inside. So I'm going to use this first as a transition shade, this one here. Next, we're going to use this one here. It's like a kind of purplish color. We're going to put it like outer. We're going to put it outer and inner corner. Going to use this ones here, right here. Then we're gonna go back to the purple color. And then we're gonna go clean it up. Then we're going back to the transition shade that we did use a while ago, because just to define it right here. We're going to finish the eyes later, but for now we're going to go to our face. I'm going to use this one. This is the 3-stick mini matte blur stick. I'm going to blur this side of my face. So I'm going to use this matte poreless by Maybelline. I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff. And I'm going to use this sponge. This is a dump sponge. Next, we're going to conceal. I'm going to use this Bye Bye Under Eye. Then we're going to use this Illegal Conceal HD Concealer. I'm going to cover this up, my pimple right here. See if I can cover it up. And now we're going to use this Her palette. This is the Pressed Powder Face Palette. Still the Karrueche X Colourpop collaboration. And this is how it looks like. So we have the Lassie, the highlighter, the blush, Mistress, and the Dame, the bronzer. So we're gonna go bronze first. Going to use the transition that we did use a while ago. And then we're going to use the purple. This one here. This is the damsel, I think. Once the L'Oreal Voluminous Prime Base. And next we're going to use this NYX Cosmetics Worth the Hype mascara. Here we're going to use this one. So these are the lips bundle. Maybe I'm going to use this one. Better. So the last what we're going to do is this setting spray. This is the Crystal Setting Spray by Colourpop. This is going to mattify our look.